Welcome to Natural Bridges State Beach. We are a California state park here on the coast of Santa Cruz, California. Behind me is the Natural Bridge, which is so famous from our name. If you use your imagination and go back in time, you can imagine how the mainland once was connected to this natural bridge. However, in 1980, it fell down. And if you use your imagination to go out into the ocean, back in 1900, there was still yet another arch. At the edge of the ocean, there's an amazing habitat, which is the home for many animals like anemones, sea urchin, and crabs, including many other species. This tide pool habitat is a marine protected area. There's so many wonderful things about natural bridges, but we're here to talk about monarch butterflies, and it starts as an egg, and then it becomes a caterpillar, growing and consuming huge amounts of leaf material and eating only milkweed and getting to be 2,700 times its original size. And then it wriggles out of that last skin, becoming and changing into a chrysalis, where it transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Now, here at Natural Bridges is the place where these butterflies come to spend the winter. This is the entrance to the boardwalk, which takes you down to the grove where the monarch butterflies stay for the fall and the winter here at Natural Bridges Park. Come on a journey with us. Here we are going down into the grove. It was a special grant from 1984 that allowed this boardwalk to be built. It's wheelchair accessible, so everyone can come down and visit into the Monarch Grove. You'll get glimpses of the pond as we go, and we'll see that later. And we come down into the heart of the forest where the monarchs come. Here we are in the heart of the forest. There's a ring of trees that's all around us, with a small opening in the middle for the sky, for the sun to shine in. The trees protect them from the wind like a blanket. It protects them from the cold night sky. When it's warm and sunny, you'll see them fluttering around in the tops of the trees or flying in the sky. If it's cold, you'll see them clustered in clumps. Natural Bridges is known for so many different species of wildlife living in a very small area, and it's because of this freshwater pond right here next to me that you can see it's a very important place because they, like us, need fresh water to survive. We have skunk and deer and raccoons, fox, occasionally coyote, weasels, all kinds of different bird species that live here in the park, and all these animals rely on having fresh water. Even the monarchs rely on this pond as it allows the moisture to go up into the air, and then instead of coming down to drink it from the pond, they actually are able to get water droplets on the leaves and then just go and sip the water off the leaf. The grove used to be protected by many pine trees, making a ring around it so that these wind-block pine trees would stop the wind from the next batch of trees at the edge of the grove and make it so that the monarchs could find a place inside the grove where they were protected from the winds. However, many of the trees that were here fell down. So it's because of the love of the park, the love of monarchs, that we had many volunteers helping us to plant in trees to protect the edge of the forest and protect the trees here at Natural Bridges. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing the park with you in the future.